Here's an integral. The integral is 0 to square root of 3 over 4 over 1 plus 1 plus 16x squared dx. Sometimes you have to work these in a bunch of different ways until you figure it out. This one I'm going to do some u substitution. I'll say u equals 4x. And so du equals 4 dx. And thus dx equals du over 4. So now I'll rewrite this, and I'm going to reevaluate those limits of integration, and this is going to be 1 over 1 plus u squared, because look, 4x squared, if I square that, that comes out to 16x squared. So 16x squared is just u squared. So 1 over 1 plus u squared, and then dx equals du divided by 4. So I'll put that 1/4 on the outside. I still have to reevaluate those limits of integration, and this is du over 1 plus u squared. And now I'm going to use that u equals 4x to check out those limits of integration. When x is square root of 3 over 4, u equals 4 times square root 3 over 4, which equals square root 3. And when x equals 0, u equals 4 times 0, which is 0. So these are 0 to square root of 3. Now you have to have this memorized. Du over 1 plus u squared, the integral thereof, is arctan u. So this is equal to 1/4 times arctangent of u, evaluated from 0 to square root of 3, which is equal to 1/4 times. The arctangent of square root of 3 is pi over 3, minus the arctangent of 0 is 0. So 1/4 times pi over 3 minus 0 equals 1/4 times pi over 3 equals pi over 12. So there's the answer. The integral from 0 to square root of 3 over 4 of 1 over 1 plus 16x squared dx is pi over 12. And if you're not sure about that, as you can do in any time you're working homework, because you can't cheat on homework, always check your answer. Just plug it into an integral calculator to check your answer. I use www.integral/calculator.com. Here, I'll paste the URL here on the board. Well, it's not letting me paste the URL onto the board for some reason, but I'll say it again, www.integral-calculator.com, and that gives steps. So if you're not sure of a question on homework like this one, you can throw it through there and then understand how it worked, and then work it yourself. And maybe you can work the next one without ever going to the integral calculator, but just make sure that your answer is right and that you learn the steps. All right, that's it. There's the answer, pi over 12.